Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is my lovely client Lauren, and she's coming today for a fresh set. So I removed her previous set down to the clear layer, and then we soaked the clear layer in acetone, and now I applied tips, prepped all her natural nails, and we are ready to go. So I just thought I'd show you a clip of me doing the clear layer. So I kind of just put just before the cuticle area, and then I'll fade it back slightly at the cuticle area and then pull most of it down the nail. I want most of it to be on the nail and the tip, mostly the tip actually, because the amount of times that I've done it mega thin, and then when you file back down to that clear layer it's just too thin and the tip snaps. So yeah, I like most of the bulk to be there. Not that there is any bulk, but if there was any bulk I want it on the tip. So yeah, really easy. I can do that within minutes. So now we're going in with Amor on the baby finger. I like to just get my core powders done first before I go in with any glitters or any colours. So I'm going to do a full now of Amor on the baby. I'm going to create a smile line on the ring finger, and then we're going to do a little bit of colour blocking on the middle finger, so I'll also just get that done and out of the way. So I'll just let you watch. Also, the brush that I'm using is the CJP Big Boy. So then also on the thumb, I just thought I'd do, because we're going to do a glitter fade on the thumb, so I just put a bead at the cuticle area just to cover the colour of her nail, because we're going to do a nice glitter fade. I feel like the thumb gets really neglected. It's either, with me, it's either a full colour or a fade. It's never really anything else. Struggling to talk today. Why do I get like this? Anyway. So this finger is going to be a full glitter now. I just like to put a wash of Amor down because we're going to go in with Reflex, and it just looks nice against a more pinky colour, if you know what I mean. So then I'll pick up a small bead of acrylic and dip into that raw glitter, and then I'll just nudge it and pat it all into place. You all know I love a Reflex. When the spring and summertime comes, I love to bring it out, and Lauren is a big fan of it too. So yeah, just a full now of that on this finger here. So then the same with the glitter on the thumb, just pick up a small bead of acrylic, dip into that glitter, swoosh it around on the tip and then blend it back. And then I'm going to come in and file my ring finger and middle finger just to get these nice and crisp. I was really happy with my smile line actually, but I still wanted to come in with my hand file and just make it that even more perfect. So then I removed all the dust, and then I'm going to come in with that glitter and just place it on the free edge, bringing it right up those sides. See, as you can see, because I haven't put a little bit of pink down, it's kind of more greeny, would you say? It's a little different colour. I just like it with a pink background, but it still looked fine. I won't bothered. Just it looks nicer on like a pinkier base, just a slight pinkier, I think anyway. Maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. Maybe it's in my head. So yeah, once I've done that, I moved on to this finger. So then I'm coming in with coconut milk, and I'm gonna kind of do the same sort of thing but down the other side. So the same shape, but bring it down the other side. I kind of wish I went a little bit less with the pink. I wish I did it a little bit smaller, but hey, whatever. She was happy with it, and so was I in the end. So just trying to do that little triangle, build up the colour, build up the thickness. So I'll just let you watch this. So instead of waiting around for that middle finger to dry so you can file it again, just go on and cap and continue with the other nails, just so you're not wasting time. So I'm going to cap this ring finger, just the tip really, in crystal glass, and then I'll cap all the rest and then I'll come in with my hand file and file that middle finger, and then I'm going to add the glitter just on the tip there. So that's that done. Cap that little bit of glitter in crystal glass. I also capped the thumb. I filed, shaped, buffed, all that good stuff. And then I'm going in with a top coat here. So here I'm using CJP Tack Free Top Gloss and just applying a nice thin layer of that over all her nails. She'll cure in my LED lamp for a full 60 seconds. I'll apply some NAFF Stuff Cuticle Oil in watermelon. She's usually a strawberry daiquiri fan, but something's happened. I've broke the twisty bit, so I can't twist it to get any more cuticle oil out, unless it means it's the end, but I'm pretty sure there's more in there. So yeah, I'm gonna have to order a new one of those. So thank you so much for watching. I'll leave a little clip at the end for you to see, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.